Welcome to my channel and welcome to this episode. In this very episode, I'm going to be sharing with you the recent development update and road construction update at Hilltop Estate, located in Ikola, Alagbado, AIT Road, Lagos, Nigeria, Ogun State, Nigeria. For those who are just coming across my channel for the first time, or who are just getting to know about this location, this estate, this is Hilltop Estate, and it comprises of a different estate. It's a community of estate, and I'm going to be sharing with you. But the main reason why I am today is to show you the road construction update about this location. 2 weeks ago, I was here for an update, and today again, I'm here again for another update to let you know what is happening in this location, especially those who have property in this location. Time to time, I'll be coming to give you update on this very development that is going on in this very estate. You can subscribe to this channel so that each time I bring you recent development, you can always get notified. So you can subscribe and remember to put on the notification bell so that you can always get notified each time I bring you updates, real estate tips, real estate investment opportunity in Lagos, Ogun State, and every other part of Nigeria. So let's dive into today's episode. For the sake of those who doesn't really understand where the road construction started from, I'm going to be explaining in this very video so that you can understand the road construction, where it's leading to and where it stopped. All right, now this road construction starts from the bridge. For those who are conversant with this place, the road actually starts from the bridge. You know, there is a stream before you connect to this area. It starts from there and comes this way and goes this way to connect to community. There's a community after this very estate, so it got to the community and stop. And also the road construction goes this way. This is where they are now. The road is going towards this direction, the same 2-lane, and is going to connect all the estate within the Hilltop Estate. Remember, the road ended in other community and is also going towards this direction. It's going to connect every estate in the Hilltop Estate and is going to link another community. So this is beyond an estate. Is a city, is a community of estate, and is a city on its own. Is a city on its own. You can see what is happening here. Great transformation is coming to this location. Now, if you look at this road very well, there's an estate by the right hand side, there's an estate by the left hand side. Both estates are Alagbado Hilltop Estate. The right hand side is the phase 1, the left hand side is the phase 2. We have secondary sales of land on both phases. In case you're interested, you can reach out to me. I would like you to join me now to go check where they are now, where they are currently working at the moment. So let's go together. Let's go there. All right, for the sake of those who are asking that, where did they get to now? Where are they now? Now, this is Western Hilltop Estate. They've gotten to Western Hilltop Estate. You can see where I am now. This is Western Hilltop Estate. I have a plot of land for sale in Western Hilltop Estate in case you are interested. And this other side, this is Treyo Hilltop Estate. That is phase 1 extension, is extended here. It's facing Western Hilltop Estate. And behind me, this is Convy Hilltop Estate. And you know, opposite the Convy Hilltop Estate, I also have 2 plots of land for sale in that place. So in case you are interested, you can reach out to me. You can see the road is going this way. It's going down. It's connecting all the estate in this area. Like I told you in this video, that this is a community of estate and the road is going to connect every estate. If you have road, you have good drainages, you have electricity. So what else do you want? There's light already. Look at Convy. There's light in Convy. Let me show you very well. You can see electric cables in Convy. So every other estate is going to connect. When you come in the night, you see light in this place. Even as I speak, there is light. And it's the 33 phase from Obasanjo farm. Once again, my name is Festus Dadabo, team lead at Shele Properties. All I do on this channel is real estate, everything in between real estate. This is what this channel is all about. If you like what I'm doing, you love what I'm doing, you can do me well by subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you can always get notified each time I bring you update, real estate tips, real estate investment opportunity,